Welcome to another video on my Arduino Mega2560 in combination with Arduino Uno for SPI, serial paired for interface, and breadboard with fischertechnik mechanics and electronics. When I set the whole thing up for this video, I immediately noticed something odd. Here's an LED that doesn't do anything. After last time, this motor runs nicely after replacing a transistor, so before I start to replace this transistor, I want to know about the voltages. So that is exactly what I am going to do. Multimeter in place. Let's hope it stays in place. Alright, that's better. So I want to have some difference in voltage. Right, that is alright, and now I want a lot less here, which is not the case. I am in my own light, I see. So this is like this, and this is like 5 volts, also like 5 volts. But then the question is, what is here? What is right here? Yeah, things to be expected right now. And then do I have some voltage here? It could be that I miss some voltage right on the other end, on the other side of the circuit. Let's measure right here. Am I measuring the right place? Yeah, I do. So now it becomes uncertain why it's gone nowhere. Alright. This works. This doesn't. Right. Measurements indicate it may just be the transistor, but is it? Alright, I'm going to replace it anyway and see whatever happens. I think that is the best way to go. And in the meantime, you can quite well see that the switch does work at times. So right now it is here stuck on the switch, and this motor stops working. But it does need some assistance to work. Right now I have a sort of problem, in the sense that I have replaced this LED by a red one, and I have replaced this transistor by the same one as this one is, and yet it doesn't do a thing. So let me once again do a measurement, and well, this being stuck, let's just run it, and again so with the multimeter again in place, this is for something volts and this is for something volts with a different transistor. Now of course I can replace the transistor again, and I have to check if this is the same type. Yes, it is the same type. So let me replace this one again by yet another one. And I haven't used this particular transistor earlier or before, and I need to bend its wiring a bit. And I have to be careful, so let me show you. The wiring, the wires are a bit bent, and so now they're better suited for placing in the breadboard. Yes, that goes better. And this one doesn't do a thing, although it works, but red LEDs take some more current than green ones. So let me once again take this one, and oh wait, that could have been my mistake. I should use, yes, once again a mistake in my side. Alright, so this clearly does work. But once again, measuring the whole thing, is some 4 volts, and this is some a little bit less, and previous experience tells me that it is not always the same. Let's no. It does work. So let me see if this if the green one is indeed damaged, and I have to place it in this way. A bit hard to do. That is one. That is two. Does it run? And it doesn't burn. So that may indicate that it is indeed broken. This one has to go here, and this one has to go here in this line, and indeed I should replace it with this one. Yes, plus and minus, that is correct. So now it doesn't burn, which is odd. Yeah, now it does. Anyway, still no motor. Odd. I have replaced the transistor twice. I have replaced the LED for a bigger, brighter version, and still there's no luck. Despite my measuring of the voltage along the way, it clearly does work. The question is though, why doesn't the motor work? And right now I don't have an answer, but there's another topic as well, and that topic is indeed SPI. So let's concentrate on that for some time, and let's see. It's still put on my former experiment. And let's put the thermometer on. Now what should it give? Right, that was like last time. It gives 0, and I don't want to give it 0, but that was the thinking of where I ended last time. Here I am using a buffer. That is to say, I am sending something, SPI test /n for new line, and right here I read it into a buffer, and if the number of position is smaller than the size of the buffer, and position is 0, then everything read from SPI is put inside the buffer. Then if the character received is equal to new line, process it. But here I don't do that. So the question is, how do I do it? If position is 0, because one other thing was that as long as I put this in, SPI test was not printed correctly. Those like SPI test or SPI test without a space or whatever, it wasn't correct as long as I had the 0 print in it. So how do I put it into the buffer? And I think I can do that by doing this. Maybe not. But then also I have to say because this will likely not be correct unless the buffer size is 0, and then it says yes. So let's just see whatever happens, if this is correct or not. This will just be going. Now I have to say alright, let me test the Uno, port also the Uno, go for it. And I'm not saying it is entirely correct, if correct at all. Okay, it's done. So serial monitor, and now it doesn't do a thing. Alright, because usually I immediately get something. So this is not working. Next test. So let's get this one out again. See whatever happens this time. No guarantees. Yeah, right. So I think this one is not correct. It doesn't do anything anymore. Well, what I can do is say 0 and then say alright, zero dot print and then say size of buff. See whatever this gives. Probably a big problem, but we'll see. Serial monitor again. At least give me something. It doesn't give me anything at all. Alright, let me check if things are alright on this side. And serial monitor again. 255. Really? Alright, well, at least it comes, something comes back, so that's one thing. Yeah, it's too bad that I can't receive them at the same time. Uno, port Uno, monitor, it does not give anything at all. Alright, so let's remove this one then again, or as well. No, upload. Alright, show monitor. Alright, this is not good. This is not good at all. No. So let me exclude this whole block. Did I upload? Well, now certainly. And alright, serial monitor. Okay, I do think that something is wrong in the wiring again, because last time something in the wiring was wrong as well. So let's check out everything. And still I get nothing. So this is strange. Really strange. So let's see. No. So let's see if the Mega actually gets something back. And right now I'm doubting it. It gets something back, and for SPI it takes something. You have to have input to get output. Send something, then you can receive something. You can't just receive something, so it has to be working both ways. And now it says hi. Well, I'm okay with that, but that's right now something completely different. So what is this? Alright, I think I have made a thinking mistake all along with regard to the returning character. In here I was referring to pos smaller than size of buffer, and then I put everything in the buffer. Then if the character is equal to new line, process it is true, and then where is process it? I'm doing something wrong here. Yes, this, and then process it is being dealt with. However, on this side I'm still doing something, so that is coming into the buffer as well, or should come. So if the character is this, if the new line do this, if the character is 0, then do this. Not sure it will work, but I'm going to try it anyway. So alright, done. Not done. This is wrong. I have to, this is a big oops, I have to upload this. This is right. This is for the Mega2560. This has to go into the Uno. Uno. Go. Yes, now everything is done again. Yes. For security reasons, yes. Alright. Now see whatever happens in the serial monitor. If anything happens. Unfortunately not. So let me change this in an else if. And this is still to the Uno, that is correct. Now let's see. Come on. Now let's see whatever happens here again. Mega serial monitor. Well, at least I do still get answer from the SPI. Yes, still getting an answer, so that is alright. Question is, why don't I get anything in here? Would that be because of this line? So now I have to select Uno again. Port is the Uno. Go. Alright. Will I have something? Nothing. At all. Absolutely nothing. Alright. Very last try for now. Completely if it out. Completely comment it out. Everything is to the Uno, that's good. Compile, upload. Please give me something. And I have to see for the wiring, because last time that was a problem as well. But this time I'm not so lucky, I'm afraid. No, nothing at all. This is a mystery. And I'm running really out of time now. So, one more. One more. I get an S. That is at least something. The question is what? So let me start it again. Serial monitor, please give me something, an S or something. Or am I not that lucky? The only problem was that for some reason the Mega had gone power down. But I still get nothing. Absolutely nothing. Alright, that's it for now. Oh come on, why does this thing happen? Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Please donate to keep the videos going. See also my website for information on donating, and see also my website for my other projects and lots of pictures. And this is going to be continued. So yeah, on the motor here, electronics here, and SPI. Bye bye.